Hello guys, today I am back with a new video on adding custom tab in billing document. As we know, we do not have any additional fields to add transaction specific information in the billing document. For this, we can use the text IDs in the billing document, but it will not be the solution for all the cases. In this case, we can introduce a custom tab in which we can add the required fields. For this, we need to do the activities like adding additional fields in the VBRK table using an append structure functionality, creating a Z program to use it for additional fields in the billing document, screen painting for the field visibility in the billing document, calling the subscreen in the billing document through an implicit enhancement, and controlling the input fields in VF03. Let us add additional fields in VBRK table using an append structure. Execute the transaction SC11, input VBRK in database table field and click on display. Click on append structure button, add append structure name and additional fields in it. For example, I will add one bank number field and activate it. Now, let us create a Z program for additional fields in the billing document. Execute the transaction SE38, input the program name and click on create button. Please note that the program name can be given as per your business standards, but it should start with ZZ. Input the description, type executable program and status customer production program. Then screen painting for the field visibility in the billing document. Execute the transaction SA51, input the program name which was created in the transaction SA38 and input screen number 6001 and click on create. In the attributes tab, choose the subscreen radio button and then click on layout button. Click on data dictionary icon and choose the Z field which we added using the append structure and then activate it. In the flow logic tab, add the code which is shown in the line number 3, that is module space PBO underscore 6001 and activate it. Then calling the subscreen in the billing document through an implicit enhancement. Execute the transaction SE80. In the object navigator screen, choose the program in the drop down and input the program SAP MV60A, which is a main program for billing document. Expand the screen section, scroll down to 6001 and double click on it. Double click on module cust underscore head underscore activate and double click on perform program cust underscore head underscore activate. Click on implicit enhancement button and create implicit enhancement. Add the code same as shown in the screen and change the values for the code. For head underscore caption, add the desired custom tab name, and for head underscore program, add the program that you create in SE38, and for head underscore DynPro, add the screen number which you activated in SE51. In our case, the tab name is additional fields and program name is ZZVF01 underscore header and DynPro number is 6001. Keep the rest of the code as it is and activate it. Note, you can also enhance it further if you would like to control the tab visibility on the basis of any specific values like company code, sales organization, etc. Now, controlling the input field on the basis of transaction code. Example, in VF03, additional fields should be in display mode. For this, execute the transaction SE38, input the subscreen program and add the code as shown on the screen. Now, let us execute the billing transaction and check the results of it. So this is all guys, how we can add the custom tab and the required additional fields in it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching this video. Shining off.